You really think you're something in that outfit, don't you? Here's your pants. Supper's on the table.
Ladies love men in uniform. That slaughterhouse meant more to this town than them fools will ever know. Just a matter of time now before this town's overrun by bikers and hippies. Us, we're staying right here. We will never abandon the place of our birth. We're on our own now, people. And alone, we will rise above it all. People may not remember what we say here tonight, but they sure as shit gonna remember what we do. Thanks to the good sheriff here, we ain't gonna go hungry tonight. Matter of fact, we ain't never gonna starve again.
Charlie. St. Grace.
Mama, I told you Charlie's dead. It's Hoyt now. Sheriff Hoyt.